Dear students, today we are going to study about the environmental science. In the environmental science, we are going to studying about mining process. The mining is the process of extraction of natural resources beneath the earth. Under the earth, so many precious materials are available like diamond, gold, coal, molybdenum, tin, etc. During the process of mining, we can get those materials. Even the petroleum, kerosene and the water, we can say that the precious materials, mineral materials present in the air, we can get through the mining process. The mining is the process of extraction of ore material first. What is meant by ore materials? The ore is the natural resources present under the air with dust particles, with contamination. We couldn't utilize that materials as it. So for that, we have to go for the purification of the materials. For an example, that's a gold or diamond. We couldn't utilize that materials as such. We have to go for the purification of the contamination. Then only we have to utilize that materials. So if it is present dust particles or contamination in the raw materials, means we can say that that's the ore material. First of all, we have to find out the ore materials where it is present. The second things, we have to value the ore materials. For an example, we are going to take the coal materials. The coal materials divided into several types: peat, bituminous, anthracite, lignite. The lignite is the least content of the carbon materials consist. It is available in our Kadalur district. So we have to find out what kind of materials present in these places, whether it's valuable materials or not, whether we can go for the further processing of mining or not. So this estimation will be give the result for the what are the quality and quantity of the materials present in the places. And for that, we have to go for the resource estimation. The finding of the materials under the earth, that doesn't matter, but we have to go for the estimation. How much amount, the quantity of the resources present in one places. Then only we have to go for the further steps to generate the power and doing the precious materials of jewels and so many things. We have to get the larger quantity of materials in these places. If it is present smaller amount of materials in one places, there is no need of going for the process of mining. So estimation is very much important in these places. How much quantity of the materials present there, we have to estimate that, and we have to conduct the mining planning there. The mine planning means if there is a people present in one places, we have to give another places for them. If there is a pipelines or electric lines, if it is present in one places, means we have to distract that. We have to displace. We have to shift the people from one place to another places also. If it is present the forest resources in one places, in these places we are going to do the mining process, means mining activity, means we have to cut all the trees. So we have to conduct the mine planning, where we have to start, where we have to complete our mining process. How much quantity, how much quality of the materials we can get per day. These are all the mining plan. And we have to go for the extraction of the mineral resources. If we are going to do the mining process in one places, the mining area divided into three types: top bench, middle bench and bottom bench. From the bottom bench only we can get the precious materials quality. The quality materials present in the bottom bench. It will go up to 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. So we can extract the materials from that with the help of the machines. Quality materials with the help of the human being also we can get it from there. And finally we have to go for the reclamation process. After we can extract the materials in mining process, we have to go for the reclamations. After we have done the extraction, mine on one places, we shouldn't leave that places as such. It may lead to accident. So we can convert into something other places, like doing the gardening, or making the swimming pool, or doing the practices of agriculture, or some other recreational process we have to do in these places. Or we have to dump the soil there. We can do the process of agriculture also there. And whatever resources there available in these places, we can do that to avoid the accident in these places. The tree is the main process of the environment to maintain this pollution control, and the water, that is the precious materials. So apart from the water, trees, if it is present any materials beneath the earth also, that's important to get the generation of the electricity. But in this present world, the water and the trees are the most important thing here. After that only anything we have to get it from there. In the mining process, so many damages will be done there. To get the mining process of materials, we have to destruct the so many things if it is present in these places. Then finally only we have to go for the mining process and extraction of the materials.